If you have a whole bamboo, you need to split and cut the bamboo first. Basically, you're splitting the bamboo until you end up with a piece that has a more or less equal thickness over the length. After you have your basic split piece of bamboo, you refine it by scraping away pieces here and there. The stick shouldn't be thicker or thinner at one point, and it should bend in a nice curve. There are no edges or points where the curve does weird things. This part is the most important for the success of your kite and requires some patience. After scraping is to tie the sticks together. About the length of the sticks, basically it can be any length. Bigger kites have to endure more wind, so should be stronger. We used an equal length for both sticks. If you place the horizontal stick in the middle of the vertical stick, the kite will be harder to balance, but it will be easier to mend it in the air. It's a typical pipe kite. Placing the horizontal sticks above the middle of the vertical stick will make it easier to balance. We need to put some tension in the wire and the sticks. The frame shouldn't be flat but slightly curved, equally over the ends. You can use a glue or a rugby to attach our plastic.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take.
Use sharp objects to pin holes for the wires.
Calling us to fly away.
After pinning for holes, you can connect a loop of wire to your kite.
Come and fly away with me.
Use the holes you made to fix the wire at one end. The other end should be fixed at the bottom of the kite. The long wire around the spindle will be tied to this loop. The length of the loop and the placement of the long wire to the loop is quite important.
Fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge.
You can go now and fly.